In this video, I'll show you how to install 100% safe game in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you don't want to replay the entire story mode, you can just install a 100% save game. A completed save unlocks almost everything in the game, including all story missions, properties, weapons, vehicles, and other content that normally take dozens of hours to complete. Now to start, let's download the save game. You can go to gta5mods.com. I'll put the link in the description or just search it up on Google. Once you're here, you want to click search on the top right and just type in save game, just like that. And here you'll see a bunch of 100% save games. I recommend you to install this one because it has 7 million downloads. So let's go ahead and check the page. Now if you scroll down, you can see all of the updates it has. Just click download on it, save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. So just hit save and the download will start. After you finish downloading, just go to your downloads folder and now you'll have the save file. It's in a zip file, so to open it, you can use WinRAR or 7-zip, but if you are in Windows 11, you can just extract it by right clicking on the zip file and then hit extract all, click extract again, and now you'll have it in the folder. Let's open it up and see what we got inside. So here you'll have the save file and also an installation guide. Let's open it up. So what you need to do is go to your save file. It might be different for you, but most of the time, if you install it in a default location, you'll go to these paths. So let's go ahead and do that. You want to go to documents and then go to Rockstar Games, GTA 5. You'll have this random name. Just open it up. And this is where you put the save file in. So to install this, you just need to put it into your save folder. You can drag and drop it just like that. And that's done. Now let's launch GTA 5 and load up the save game. All right, just in case if you see this on your launcher, you want to select the local data because this is the 100% save file. The cloud data is your old game file. So select the local data and then hit review, hit confirm. Alright, in the game, to load your 100% save file, you can open up the pause menu and then you want to go to game, select load game, and then you select the one that you just installed, which is this one for me. So let's go ahead and select this. Alright, we're loaded. So now you can open up the pause menu and go to stats, and then you can see the 100% checklist. Everything is completed and you successfully installed the save game. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.